23 years, I've never seen this. So all that and a haunted mansion tour? What? Are you out of your mind? Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today, it's 3 jobs in one day, and you're gonna see one of the craziest things I've ever seen in 23 years. And no, I'm not talking about this cool elevator. Find out what it is today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons, actually, just Hunter today. We are, I don't want to say solo, we're not solo, we're working together. Teamwork, it's the A team today, and we're attempting to do 3, actually, technically 4. We have Joe doing another job, but me and Hunter are doing 3 jobs by ourselves on a Saturday, and we're going to try to get it done. So without any further ado, let's get to work. So this is job 1. Sod the floor, and now we're gonna take it out just in the doorway. All of these planks were water damaged. What? Under the floor. Oh my god, I always say I am amazed by what I find under floors sometimes. You might want to see this. I can't believe I'm saying this. Don't remove that root from my floor yet. I can honestly say in 23 years I've never seen this. We have a root growing under your floor.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
I know I have a green thumb, but I didn't have this kind of...
Come on, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Yeah. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Oh my gosh. Something else. Wow. Bet you didn't even know you had live trees in your living room growing. What you need to do, Hunter?
Yeah, shim up these corners. Just these corners.
Need to be shimmed? Yeah. So what you're going to do with this, let me explain how put the shim first so that when the board goes in, if it's perfect, take the board back out, then we'll spread the glue with the shim in it.
Good.
We're going to use some silicone there to seal the edge up under where the glue won't go. And I'm hoping by using our wood floor glue with water barrier in it, you know, it'll seal this a little bit. I already got a mineral spirits rag, by the way.
Take out the section.
What?
Take out the section.
It looked like it was freaking perfect.
No.
I would use the beige.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tape and beige.
Yeah.
Tape it off.
There.
Okay.
You don't have to tape anything off. Just what are you doing? Just smear a little on your finger and just rub it in.
Get the beige.
Okay.
Good. I wonder why I want to use tape.
Really? If you use your mineral spirits rag, just it will. Just wipe it out. I'll get you another rag.
See if I put tape down first, I went to wipe this off.
I didn't hear you.
See if I put tape down first, I went and tried to wipe this off. So you're 2 inches.
What?
If I put tape down, I went
You're almost
and tried to
done.
wipe this off.
You just keep using liquid mineral spirit. What'd you do?
Wax repair. Put the wax on the floor. Heat the chisel.
Oh, look at that, and just spread it. That's a nice way to do that. It worked out pretty good. Fill that hole in.
Perfect.
Attack of the root, it's back. It wants its floor back. Attack of the swamp root. Coming in at 6 pounds, 9-ounce root. You are the winner of the root contest. I'm splitting it with you, you earn it. Go get her. Go get her. Can I start putting the tools away?
Yes.
Just wondering, since when did I start taking directions from bad.
Oh, wow.
There you go. What do you think? Not bad, right?
Not bad.
Now what I would like you to do is not step on it for about a day. Maybe we could put some weight on it. Something heavy, like just so it don't move, because I got glue under.
Okay.
And then you're all set.
All right.
It looks really good though.
Yes.
Came out good. All right, thank you very much. One job down, 2 to go. We were here for about an hour and a half. The damage, last time we were out here, we did a similar type repair 5 years ago, and I charged $600. 5 years, maybe 4.5 years later, I charged $700. So $100 inflation, I think that's more than fair. And she has her floor fixed. A lot of people would have told her you need to replace the whole floor, but with that $700 repair, her floor is good for another few years. We're on to the next one. So here we are 15 minutes down the road. We're on job number 2. Let's go take a look at what we're doing. So what happened? It got wet?
Yeah, the thing was 20 years old, the water heater.
The water heater.
And I didn't have a pan
Oh
on the
wow.
old one.
Wonder why they didn't have
So
a pan.
it leaked and it went through, it came under here. So
Yeah.
last week, it was Saturday morning, I got out, walked around here and I heard like a slushing.
Jeez. It's not what you want to feel.
So I had to pay, oh man, hundreds of dollars for plumbers to come in.
It sounds like you were lucky and you got it pretty quick.
Yeah,
Let's
we
face
were
it.
home.
Yeah, definitely. You were home. Imagine what happens to people when they're on vacation.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like you saved the floor. All right, we'll get to it. We're actually using a tape measure. I wanted to get that on tape. Get the friction by sliding it back and forth, and then your board will slide easier. Every time, guaranteed. Yeah, perfect. When we connect the floors, we're not going to try to connect it under the door. We'll bring it out and make it an easier connection over here. We'll connect them in front of the bathroom, so make our lives easier when you don't have door casings involved. Here, trace the door casings. Trace them with the pencil so I know where to cut. Once we get it pretty close, we can then trace it, and then we see exactly where we're hitting there. A lot of meat on those bones still. Two pieces? Yeah. Alright, so do we have a roll cut for this one? I say we do it in 2 pieces.
1 piece.
1 piece?
Put in here. Hit that.
Alright, think we get it 1? Is this it? Let's try to connect these floors like it never happened. This is my favorite part of the
The
job.
last part, huh?
My favorite part. We either get lucky or we don't.
Oh, this is the one in the middle. Holy fuck, how do you do that? Yeah.
I don't know. You and me both. We're gonna figure this out together.
I was always wondering that.
I've seen this on YouTube before, and I've wanted to try it for years. And
Oh,
I
and
just
then
never
this-
got the courage to
And
try
then-
this on my
and
own
then
floor.
You mean the slides in?
I did this yesterday.
Oh.
We're messing with you. We do this all the time. Right in.
Wow.
There we go. It was in the middle of the kitchen yesterday. Fridge.
Here's the mallet if you need it. That is all she wrote. I think it looks good, sir. I think you're set. I saw you had some mineral spirits in there. If we got any residue or anything on the floor,
yeah.
you can use the mineral
Mineral
spirits to remove it.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, thank you.
All right, guys. Well, hopefully I don't hear from you for a while. We're all done with job number 2. Another one bites the dust. 12 to 15 board laminate repair in under 2 hours. We're able to reconnect their floor. No need for a molding. For our 2 hours, we charge $700, but If they had to replace that whole floor, it would have cost them thousands. So it's a pretty good deal. And now it's on to the next one.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
And here is where you make your escape. Down the tube. Whoosh. I hear like a whoosh sound, maybe you float and it's like an air driven or something. That would be really cool. Beautiful artwork. Downstairs master. It's a rather small first floor if you ask me. Quite small. Doesn't even cover my requirements for living. Oh yeah. Now you're speaking my language. This would be my bedroom. Godfather, Godfather. Scarface, Scarface. Popcorn. Scarface keychain. Thanks for coming in. You get a prize for showing up. This is so cool. I saw this weird package here and I noticed that it said Sushi Village. What? That's crazy. Sushi is one of my favorite things in the world, and I like villages as well. So what a great combination. I'd move in to a sushi village. All right, so here we go. We're at job number 3. Yep, 3 jobs in one day, and we are gonna try to get it done. Let's go and take a look. What's it look like in here? So here is the staircase. We were supposed to be refinishing this. Not refinishing it, but we were supposed to be giving it a facelift. Let's clean it twice. Yeah, I'm gonna call the guy. Well, you need to get pliers. There's staples sticking out of some of them. He's getting a new runner put in, but we still can't leave like staples sticking out in case the...
Oh, there was a runner.
Yeah. Remember, the runner's covering a lot, but I think we should still do it the right way.
That's pretty awesome.
What?
That's pretty awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Are those solid treads?
Those are solid treads.
Remember, I used to want to do that, and then Tristan always tells me no.
You did do it.
I don't know if I like the solid treads there, though. It would have been better the way we do it.
I don't like it. We're cleaning.
Let's clean it twice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so here's the dilemma. I told the customer we would get this done today. It wasn't what he described. It's missing stain. If I'm going to do this right, I need to clean it today and re-stain some spots before I put the finish on, because it's just not gonna look right otherwise. So I'm gonna call the customer. I'm gonna tell him it's not a 1 day, but it's a 2-day job here, and I'm gonna have to come back. All right, a couple questions. Yes, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can make that look a lot better. Yeah. You're looking at 1,200, I think, to do it. Maybe 1,100. We are back. Going back to Boca. Here it is. It is Sunday. I'd rather not be working on a Sunday morning, but we are back at it. We're at the 3rd job from yesterday, and we are going ahead and putting that finish on it today. We had to stain it first. We touched up the stain, and now we're putting the finish on, and we will be home in time for football on Sunday. We love football. Me and Hunter watch it every week, and we're not going to be late. So let's get to work. Gel coffee is the color, a gel stain. There it goes on thick, hides imperfections.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
I noticed a couple spots that we missed, but wow, this looks really, really good. I'm kind of surprised. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Hit that spot right there. You see where you're missing it right there? A couple of those spots. Looks good. They're putting a runner down the middle of the stairs, so really focusing on the last 3 inches, the outer 3 inches, 4 inches of each step, and trying to just make it look scratch-free and fresh. So I think it's looking good. This is the bottom step. As you can see, I mean, it looks like perfect now. Perfect. So I think everyone's gonna be happy. It looks good. It is all she wrote. And I'm ready for some football Sunday style. 3 jobs was really ambitious. Technically, I could have got it done. We were really doing 4 jobs because I had Joe at another house. But 3 jobs, very ambitious. I probably could have cut some corners on the last one, but that's just not who I am. So we are knocking it out on the extra day, the Sunday. No big deal. I'd rather do it right than try to set any kind of records. Especially when I'm #1 already. But if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. Run them over. I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors is best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.